as Mr. Mindaha. So this afternoon, this party is mainly dedicated to the press. Mr. Mindaha insisted a lot on this, and this is also an opportunity to thank Mr. Mindaha for all his efforts, the efforts that he has made during all the period he has been director of the American Corner. And thanks to the effective collaboration with both with English Club, mainly, we have been able, and members of English Club, to successfully achieve a lot of programs and workshops, among which I believe public speaking workshop, creative club, and the writing workshop. And we would like to thank all people who have helped us in one way or another, directly or indirectly, okay, in achieving this success. Mainly the press, because we have not been aware of the help that the press were offering to us till now, okay? And also municipality of Oujda, if I'm not mistaken, and U.S. Embassy. So this successful collaboration and also coordination that Mr. Mindaha has built with all the institutions and different sectors has helped us to achieve what we have achieved till now. So in the name of English Club and all the members who are actually present, I'd like to thank you very much, and I'd like to congratulate once again Mr. Mindaha for award. He has been awarded in the U.S. Embassy that during the celebration of the Independence Day of the U.S. So thank you very much once again.